Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you're all doing well. It's a new day, and as you can tell, I'm in the farm. I want to show you the progress of how it is. Kajua kamewaka. It looks like it's going to rain. I hope so. Anyway, let me turn the camera and show you the progress of the farm as at right now. Stay tuned. So as you can see, we have maize. Hizi zote ni za ng'ombe by the way. Si tunalimianga ng'ombe. You all know we do dairy farming, so all this is for the cows. Yeah, so that's how they are. That's the situation. At least kuna unyevu. Kuna unyevu. It has been raining, but for the past a few days hakujakuwa kukinyesha, but sasa kuko hivyo. So that's how it is. This is part of the land. Na kuna matope. You have to have boots, gumboots. Gumboots ni muhimu. Kuko hivyo. Tumepitia huko ndani. Huku ni kwenye kulikuwa na cabbage. You can see we harvested the cabbages. Tukazipea ng'ombe kama kawaida. Yeah, because at times cabbage by this zinasaidia nini? Zinasaidia maziwa. Yeah. So that's it. So huku tumelima hivyo. Hivyo. See how long, tall my trees have grown. I'm so happy. They're like that. We have Christmas trees. By the way, this is a very beautiful, long enough Christmas tree. And hivyo hadi huko mwisho. Wow, look at this one. This is the lemon cypress. It's beautiful. Lemon. Then as usual, mahindi. mahindi. Ina ni ile oat. Nanka hivyo. Inakaa kama nini? Alafu mahindi hadi mwisho. So that's how it is. Sasa hakuna a lot of things kuona. Juu sasa mahindi ndo mingi. The places where unaona ni kama places where you cannot see like what has been planted, kuna viazi, kuna kwenye kuna bado mahindi ziko chini. Zimepatwa na mvua ya juzi. Hey, nimechoka. Wait. Yeah, so that's it. That's it. Hiyo ndo iko. Anyway, remember to subscribe and watch and do all the nice things. Yes. Yeah.